The Signature mattress delivers premium comfort and support without the premium price. Crafted with quality foam layers, superior edge support, and contouring comfort, it's designed to give you everything you expect from a high-end mattress at exceptional value. At its core, our superior Ascension coil system adapts to your body's weight and shape, providing targeted pressure relief, support, and reduced motion transfer, so you can sleep undisturbed, even with a partner. For those who sleep hot, upgrade to our Glaciotex Cooling Cloud Pillow Top for instant dynamic cooling that helps maintain an ideal sleep temperature all night long. The Signature mattress, elevated comfort, exceptional value, and quality you can feel from the very first night.